Strong winds throughout the Bluff City have knocked over a lot of trees. Most of them fell onto roadways, but some crashed into homes. WREG's Jessica Knox is in a North Memphis neighborhood that took a big hit.
I want you to take a look at this. This tree completely uprooted in the front yard of this home on North Parkway, damaging this house, a car, and the next door neighbor's home. A woman says her daughters heard a loud noise around 9 Wednesday night. We talked with her off camera. She says they have lived in the home for 3 years and couldn't believe what happened. She tells your news leader the next door neighbor is disabled and could not get out on her own. Rescue crews stepping in to help, taking her away by an ambulance.
The way it went through that house, I mean, that was nothing.
Dennis Anderson is the owner of Anderson Tree Service. He says all it takes are winds more than 30 miles per hour.
The weight of this tree would be almost like maybe 5 or 6 cars up over your house, you know. Those trees are so heavy, you know, 2,000 pounds, you know, that's a lot of weight. But you may have, you know, maybe 10,000 pounds up over your house and you don't know it.
Anderson says before the cleanup can begin, there may be an insurance battle.
You know, if you don't send your neighbor a certified letter before their tree falls on your house, it's up to you to get it off.
You heard him right. It comes down to a piece of paper on who is responsible for paying for the damages. Here are some tips to help prevent this from happening to you. Send your neighbors a certified letter if they have a tree near your home. If you are the owner of the tree, he says it's best to trim the tree and its branches as soon as possible.
People say, you know, oh, it costs a lot, but it costs even more when it does damage to your house or somebody else's house.
Reporting for your news leader in North Memphis, I'm Jessica Knox, WREG News Channel 3.
And by the way, the owners of both homes have started a GoFundMe. If you would like to help, you can head to our website for more information.